In a communicative situation, there are what we call communicative strategies. Those are the things being used to have a smooth and well understood conversation. As an example, I am here to share to all of you my observation upon reading a certain text which I indicate the communicative strategies being used on that particular passage. The first type of communicative strategy presented on the text was nomination. Nomination was presented when the SK chairperson called for a meeting. Second, when the body raised other concerns to be discussed. And the third one is when the youth asked permission by raising their hand as a form of nonverbal nomination. Restriction was the second communicative strategy presented on the text. It was presented when the instructions was made in order to set boundaries that the members of the meeting will follow, so that responses that they are going to make is only within that set boundaries. The third type of communicative strategy presented on the text was turn-taking. Turn-taking happened when other concerns are being raised by the members of the meeting. Equal opportunity were given to all members of the meeting if they are willing to share or add something on that particular situation, so that attendees of the meeting wait their turn for them to speak and for them to share something on their minds. The fourth communicative strategy presented on the text was topic control. Topic control was presented when the SK chairperson, as the main head of the meeting, have his instructions, orders, reminders that the meeting itself must have the procedure to be followed and a formality to be undertaken. He controlled the entire conversation by having the meeting to its focused situation and a favorable condition. Topic shifting is another type of communicative strategy presented on the text, which happened when the agenda of the meeting was presented and it shifted from the topic of other concerns raised by the body or the youth that are also part of the meeting. Also, from the concerns that are being raised, topic shifting was also employed, in which the two matters being raised, the SK Youth Development Program, the topic it is was shifted from the topic of construction of the SK building. The sixth type of communicative strategy presented on the text was repair. Repair was used by the SK chairperson to assure that all details issue presented on the meeting are all understood by the members of that particular conversation. He make it assure that clarifications may be done if there is something to talk about or to be answered for a second time, so that matters being shared in the meeting are all given by a high priority and emphasis. The seventh type of communicative strategy presented on the text was termination. Termination was indicated on the text when the meeting was adjourned promptly. It was adjourned by the signal of the SK chairperson as the main head of the meeting. And those are my peer analysis and observation from the text that I have read all about the Sangguniang Kabataan meeting, discussing the concerns, agenda, issues that are related to their organization.